All the best.
Hi everyone, welcome to my channel, where I review the latest and greatest kitchen appliances. Today, I'm super excited to show you the Vitamix A3500 Ascent series smart blender, which is the ultimate kitchen upgrade. This blender is not only beautiful, but also powerful, versatile, and smart. Let me tell you why. Note, most of the images are collected with AI. Click on the link given in the description to see the original image. Link in the description. First of all, look at this gorgeous design. The matte sage color with gold accents is so elegant and sophisticated. It will definitely make your kitchen look more stylish and luxurious. The blender also has a sleek touchscreen control panel that is easy to use and clean. You can choose from 5 program settings: smoothies, hot soups, dips and spreads, frozen desserts, and self-cleaning. These settings ensure walk-away convenience and consistent results every time. But what makes this blender really smart is the built-in wireless connectivity. The motor base can read the container size you've chosen and automatically adjust the program settings and maximum blending times accordingly. This means you can use different containers and attachments with this blender, such as the 64 ounces low-profile container, the 20 ounces blending cup, or the 8 ounces blending bowl. You can also pair the blender with the Vitamix Perfect Blend app, which gives you access to over 500 recipes, personalized recommendations, and nutritional information. The Vitamix A3500 is also a powerful and versatile blender. It has a 2.2 peak horsepower motor that can handle any ingredient, from nuts and seeds to frozen fruits and vegetables. You can also manually adjust the speed and pulse to fine-tune the texture of any recipe. Whether you want to make smoothies, soups, sauces, dips, spreads, ice creams, nut butters, or even dough, this blender can do it all. What's more, the Vitamix A3500 is built to last. It has a metal drive system that ensures a secure and durable connection between the container and the motor base. It also has a radial cooling fan and thermal protection system that prevent overheating. And since Vitamix blenders last up to 10 times longer than an average blender, you can enjoy this blender for years to come. So, what do you get when you buy the Vitamix A3500 Ascent series smart blender? You get the motor base, the 64 ounces low-profile container with lid and lid plug, the low-profile tamper, and the Simply Blending cookbook. You also get a 10-year full warranty that covers parts, labor, and shipping. And if you order from the link in the description, you can get a special discount and free shipping. So, what are you waiting for? If you want to upgrade your kitchen and your health with the Vitamix A3500 Ascent series smart blender, click the link below and order yours today. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon to get notified of my next videos. Thanks for watching and happy blending.